When someone is involved in a construction accident, typically it's someone that's working on the construction site. They're concerned immediately with the process by which their employer is directing them under the circumstances. And they have a host of confusion associated with whether this is a workers' compensation concern, whether there's someone else liable other than their immediate employer, whether they're responsible. So there's a host of competing interests and somewhat complex under some circumstances that confuse the client when they call. And this is on top of the severity of the injury, because oftentimes construction accidents, the injuries are very severe. So the client is in a very confused and highly stressed condition when we get these calls.
I just felt really overwhelmed. And then when I got home, I had the other person's insurance company constantly harassing me. And I was like, I just knew I needed to get some help dealing with it.
We tell the client that we'll contact all the various parties involved. We control all the communication. We take the client out of the communication, and so therefore we control the information. What information is going out, what information is coming in. For the large part, that relieves a great deal of stress on the client, and then we isolate the sources of their recovery.
Right away, I didn't have anybody harassing me, so that alone was such a huge burden relieved.
The mistakes we see with people with a construction accident case is the delay in getting a lawyer. You're looking for a lawyer that has experience in this arena. First of all, a lawyer that concentrates his practice generally in personal injury only. You need a lawyer that has a long, successful track record of trial experience, a board-certified trial lawyer that the insurance companies know that they're going to have to pay early in the case for full value or have to face a lawyer in court.
It was always a comfort to have, and even after the accident, he still keeps in contact with me and checks and see how I'm doing. He's just a blessing to have.
When you hire our firm, there is no fee, there's no cost. The only time that we get compensated is at the end of the case when you get compensated. If you have any questions about your construction accident case, please call us for a free consultation. We'd be happy to talk with you and answer any questions that you need answered.